Are you a self-employed, a real estate investor, a foreign national looking to buy property in the US? Or maybe you're just someone who wants to build wealth through real estate? You have got cash, you have got the 20% down payment ready to go, but the big banks keep slamming the door in your face? Or maybe you did get approved, but it took 60, 90, even 120 days to close. You lost deals, you lost opportunities, and every time you called your lender, you got voicemail. Or worse, radio silence. Sound familiar? Yeah, I thought so. My name is Eli Wiseman, and if that is your story, you're exactly where you need to be. I'm not just one of the principals at DSCR Pro. We are your partners in building real wealth through real estate. Our mission is simple: help you get approved when others say no, close your investment properties faster, and build the portfolio you have always dreamed of with no excuses. We do this by using commercial lending programs that most banks don't even offer. From DSCR loans and DSCR second mortgage loans to fix and flip financing, bridge loans, SBA loans, bank statement programs, and creative financing solutions that help you acquire properties even when traditional lenders turn you away. And here is what makes us different. Speed. We close DSCR loans in less than 4 weeks from executed contract. Not 60 days, not 90 days. Because in real estate, time kills deals. Communications. We talk to you before you even find the deal, so you know exactly what you qualify for. We keep you updated throughout the entire transaction. No surprises, no ghosting. And we stay in touch after closing to make sure you always have the best terms as the market changes. When it comes to follow up, we are on your deal like green on a pickle. Don't just take our word for it. Here is what Eduardo Perez, one of our investors, has to say. Hands-on, the best service I have ever experienced in my life. Eli is super professional in his field, and I will recommend him to all my friends. Here's the truth. If you are a self-employed, a business owner, or a full-time investor, traditional banks don't understand your income. They look at your tax returns, see the write-offs, and say, oh my God, sorry, you don't qualify. And even when they do approve you, the process takes forever. You're chasing a loan officer for updates, you're wondering if you are going to make your closing date, you're stressed, frustrating, and losing sleep over a deal that should be straightforward. But here is what is crazy. You have got the assets, you have got the 20% down payment, you have got the reserves, you are a serious buyer, but your tax returns don't tell that story, and your lender can't move fast enough to keep up with the market. That is why we use DSCR loans, where we qualify you based on the property cash flow, not your personal income. If you have got skin in the game and the rent covers the mortgage, you can qualify, and we can get you to the closing table in under 2 weeks. But here is the real question. Why should you trust us with your investment goals? Let me tell you a little about myself. I'm a proud father of 2 amazing daughters, a devoted husband, and yes, a weekend sourdough baker. Once you go homemade, there is no going back. I'm a tennis fanatic, terrible at karaoke, and always looking to improve my salsa dancing. But when it comes to commercial lending and real estate financing, I have built a career from scratch and reached the pinnacle of success as one of the top originators in the industry. I was born in Uruguay, raised in Colombia, earned my MBA in finance in the Middle East, and came to the US on a tourist visa with $10,000. Money I got for selling my only asset in Colombia, a Chevrolet Swift, all to pursue the American dream. I went from installing cables in the Bronx to building a real estate portfolio of over 30 units. And together with my team, we have helped hundreds of investors close on properties that traditional banks said no. Atanda Walabi, who just closed his 3rd property with us, shares his experience. It is my 3rd loan with Eli from DSCR Pro. The team is super diligent. They will support you from day 1 to the day that you close. If they tell you that they can close, they have always delivered. After 25 years working as a nurse, finally now I feel like I am building wealth with all these investments that Eli is helping me buy with the DSCR loans. I am looking forward to my 4th property. Along the way, we have helped hundreds of investors grow their portfolio, often rescuing them from bad advice and costly mistakes. We have closed deals for clients who were told no by every other lender, using creative commercial financing solutions that other mortgage professionals simply don't understand. Just ask Franklin Rodriguez. After several months of back and forth with another bank that left me in very complicated situation, Tanya and Eli from DSCR Pro came to the rescue. They were incredibly efficient and provided exceptional exceptional help. Thanks to them, I was able to close my loan in less than 30 days. I recommend them 100%. Here's what we bring to the table for investors like you. DSCR loan, qualify based on property cash flow, not personal income. Perfect for self-employed investors and portfolio builders. DSCR second mortgage loans, access the equity in your investment properties without refinancing your first mortgage. Great for pulling cash out to fund your next deal. Fix and flip financing, short-term loans for investors looking to buy, renovate, and sell properties for profit. Bridge loans, quick capital to bridge the gap between buying a new property and selling an existing one. SBA loans, government-backed financing for commercial real estate purchase and business expansion. Bank statement programs for self-employed investors who can't show traditional W-2 income but have strong deposits. Hard money loans, asset-based lending for investors who need fast closing and flexible terms. Kevin Quito, who has already closed 2 properties with us, says, Tanya is the best. She has helped me with 2 properties so far, and I look forward to continuing the relationship. Thank you again, Tanya, for DSCR Pro, the best DSCR mortgage company in the Bronx. So if you are ready to stop being told no by traditional banks, start building real wealth through real estate, and finally work with a team that actually gets it, let's talk. Click the link below to schedule your free consultation or call me directly at 718-300-3503. We turn today's lending challenges into tomorrow's cash flow. I'm Eli Weisman. Let's build wealth together.